Now let's moving on to our next team. Now, the next team that we have is our third team for today. That's Fano Labs Limited, also from here in Hong Kong. Now, they're actually an AI startup specializing in the development and the application of advanced AI technologies such as automatic speech recognition, known as ASR, and natural language processing, also known as NLP. Now, Fano Labs provides customers from finance, telecommunication, and retail sectors with enterprise customer service solutions. You have 5 minutes. Please jumpstart your dreams now.
Okay, good morning, everyone. This is John from Fano Labs. So it's great to have the opportunity to talk about Fano Labs and its solution for you. By the way, can I get the slide? All right. So while my slide is coming in, and I just talk about the company, we focus on, as we said, we focus on two things: speech recognition and NLP. And the offer is for enterprise grade, and we help enterprise to automate their customer service experience, upgrading their customer experience in the meantime, and save costs. So really, because there's some slide that I need to use for the demonstration. Let me finish without the slide, but the effect could be deterrent. And we focus on something like, let me play it from my end and see whether you
สดแบบเรียลไทม์ใช่ไหม No Photoshop ใช่ปะ
Mbak, minumnya tolong dibikin less sugar ya.
我想 check 下我個 account 剩返幾多錢。
Yeah, this is the language we focus on. You will see that from the speech, there's original or native language mixing with other languages. And this is a market we are focusing on. And for this market, actually, it is much bigger than what you thought in the market. And counting Hong Kong and Southeast Asia country,
สดแบบเรีย
there
ลไท
are
ม์ใช่ไหม
600
No
million
Photoshop
speaking
ใช่ปะ
the mixed language there.
Mbak,
And we
minumnya
have a
tolong
solution
dibikin
for
less
that.
sugar ya.
And the solution we are building right now
我想 check 下
is
我個 account 剩返幾
targeting
多
those
錢。
mixed language with translate them into text and then understand from those texts what it means in the certain scenario. And in the meantime, we know that we can identify who speaks that sentence. So this is all the key elements we can focus on. And compare with other competitor, you may find that there are existing company working on the speech recognition and an AI solution. How Fano Labs position ourselves there? And the answer is that most of the existing AI company focusing on a single language because the single language or the mainstream language is more formal with a lot of grammar, and but the mixed language, in other words, is more free flow and without grammars. That is the difference, and there's challenge in building that up. And by doing so, actually, we use end-to-end deep learning technology, which can speed up the model development as well as the accuracy. Right now, compared with the traditional way, we can develop a model in 2 months. Compare in the traditional way, probably you need 6 months. And actually, the deployment right now in Hong Kong, we can achieve 85% accuracy. Compared with some of the other player in the market, maybe at 60, 70 at that range. And finally, on the team, we are all the technology team is basically from Hong Kong University with the leading technology, and myself working in the industry for 15 years, helping U.S. company migrate to APAC and the Japanese company expanding to overseas. Okay, sorry for missing the PowerPoint there.
Please, we gave you another minute because of the technical difficulty. So I have a timer that's running on the side. So please keep going. I will tell you when time is up.
Okay, can I get the slide that I have a video on it?
Which slide is that?
Yeah, slide number 7.
Sure. I'll be up momentarily. So please wait.
Yeah, that shows our advantage there, and I like the audience to appreciate the technology behind. And by doing so, and also maybe while the slide is coming, speak a little bit another angles that we get support from the investor and our partner. We are invested by Horizon Venture, who I know most of you may know that they invest in Facebook, they invest in DeepMind, and we are glad that we are part of their portfolio there. And lastly, that on the partnership last year September, we signed a partnership agreement with Microsoft. So for some of the enterprise projects, they will include us in their solution portfolio for AI solution offer to their client. Yeah.
Right. It looks like time is up. Do you have one last sentence that you would like to wrap up your presentation with?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. We feel that we are in a good position with a good solution and team in place, target for the right market here, and we looking forward to your support.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much for the presentation. And judges, this is the time to pose your questions. Thank you very much. Actually, I have one that's coming in first. I see it coming into the chat. Actually, I'll pose that first. That's from Raymond.
Yeah.
He has 2 questions. One is good accuracy achieved for mixed language processing. What is the business traction? Number 2, plans for future expansion, for example, things like business or collaboration. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So for the business attraction, actually, as I said, in most of the country, even in our home in Hong Kong, 90% of the calling into the call center is mixed language. That's why I want to show you the video there. There's a lot of English words mixed in the language, and those are not the formal English. We may speak in our own way on something like lumbar or something like that, and we recognize those well. And we do offer right now in Hong Kong, there's a flagship telecom company and airline company using our solution on that, and they achieve a good ROI there, and we got a lot of business insight through those conversations. And for our business expansion plan, we got a project in Thailand, and as we said, we deliver a model in 2 months for the Thai language. We are going to expand into Southeast Asia. That's the plan for this year. Yeah.
Hi. How will be the competitive advantage of your solutions when compared to the other similar solutions available in terms of commercial offering?
Right. We are doing a subscription-based offer, and which offer will say a peace of mind for the for our customer. That means what they subscribe, we guarantee the performance somehow there. And so they focus on their own applications. They don't need to worry about anything on speech recognition, NLP. We will do our own performance, and then on top of that, on top of that, they apply the technology in their own use case. And I think this is number one. Number two is specifically for mixed language. We are doing much better than the competitor, no matter from US or from China mainland. We are much competitive in terms of the accuracy here.
Thank you.
Okay.
Any last question?
John, hi, it's Tom.
Hi.
From Gobi. First of all, I thought you did a great job handling a challenging situation that always happens. My question is your strategy to focus on a breadth of languages, or to focus on getting better accuracy in a particular few languages? Is it to try to cover all the different languages out there, or are you trying to get higher accuracy than your competitors?
Okay, this is a good question. We start out from Hong Kong in around
we
2
need
years.
you to wrap up in one sentence. Is that okay? Thank you.
Okay. We focus on in Hong Kong, finish the basically the framework on the process, and then we are going to expand into other countries. So this year will be 70% revenue still from Hong Kong. We are expecting 30% revenue from Southeast Asia and Great Bay Area. Thank you, Tom.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much for that. Time's up. Thank you, judges. Thank you very much.